Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are good, in good health and having a good time. Today, once again, I am here with a new topic and a very exciting one. It's fantasy time on Fun Drawing with Piali. Today, we will draw our dreamy candy land. Very, very nice and tasty dreamy candy land we will draw today. Are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So, let's make a start. So kids, this drawing is about a scenery, basically a scenery where there is no real hut, there is no real tree, they are all made up with chocolates and candies. Yes, so our imagination we will put in to draw our tastiest candy land. And now time for fun fact. Fact number 1, Candyland, also known as Candyland, is a simple racing board game currently published by Hasbro. So basically we are drawing a scenery wherein we are drawing hearts made of chocolate and cupcakes and everything, but there is actually a board game also, a children's game also called Candyland. Fact number 2. So, is there any real life Candyland? Yes, there is a real life Candyland in Los Angeles. So, it's a home in Los Angeles where you can get a walk through a candy themed experience called Sugar Rush. So, it's a real life Candyland where you can visit and you can have your experiences, how your imagination come alive. So it features giant lollipops, cupcakes, candies and even animal figures. So kids, so much about Candyland, but do you know that we are drawing something, and so over the period of time we have drawn so many things, but do you know what is the first ever drawing human made? Have you ever thought about it? So now you're gonna know about it. Some archaeologists believe that red markings, so there are some red markings found in South African cave in 2018, which they believe is the world's first known drawing, created an astonishing 73,000 years ago, and 64,000 years old Neanderthal cave paintings were discovered in Spain in 2018. So now you are full of knowledge. You know what is the first drawing human ever made. Well kids, so drawing is a type of thinking. Have you ever thought about it? Like when we are drawing, we are giving a strike, we are making a line, and we are thinking that it's how can we put this color, how can we make it a red, or just take it an example like we are drawing a Candyland today. So we thought about it, right, that we will not make a heart, real heart, we will make a cupcake kind of a heart instead. So we are constantly thinking. So drawing is a type of thinking which make us thoughtful, where we can dig out our imagination, and it's a fun play as well. So you know now what are the benefits of drawing, right? And now the final one. Fact number 5. Between 1912 And in the year 1948, art competitions were a part of Olympics. Yes, now we know that Olympics are all about sports and games and everything, but actually drawings were also, earlier in those periods, it was also a part of Olympics. Wow. So my cute angels, this was all the fun facts we had for you on easy Candyland scenery drawing, all about fantasy world drawing. So my angels, it was really amazing, to draw with you all, to share these stories with you all, and I'm sure that now you know all the facts and benefits of drawing. You will surely enjoy doing drawing every day. So till we meet next time with another very interesting topic, watch Fun Drawing with Piali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye-bye.